I've been wanting to take a solo trip for a while now. With work and traveling for work, I haven't had time to just unplug. I put off buying a plane ticket for so long until I started thinking about a previous Iceland trip. Iceland has always had a way of inspiring creativity. And lately, I've been wanting to challenge myself. I have felt very stagnant creatively within the past year. So I felt like this was the perfect time to start something new and visit the place that has always inspired me the most. Right when I landed, I picked up my rental car. I knew I didn't have that much time, so my general plan was to drive along the south coast and back for the week. So I headed straight to Reykjavik. Two hours later, I was at Skogafoss. I decided to book a hotel around there for the night, but a lot of weird things started happening.
Why does my hotel room keep doing this?
It was safe to say I barely got any sleep. And when I woke up, I was just greeted with an insane amount of wind. And even though the weather was classic Iceland, it was still one of the prettiest drives. And then I was finally able to take it all in.
It is just so beautiful, but I am so happy I'm here right now. It's warm, very little tourists. Look how many people are on this beach. It's good to be here. I'm so happy I did this solo trip. I did very little planning. I don't know, I think the best times are usually when you don't plan. And I want to do that a lot more. Responsibly, of course, but yeah.
When I was younger, I used to think how terrifying it would be to sit in a restaurant alone. That insecurity left me not wanting to take action in my life. I once read, "Action is about living fully. Inaction is the way we deny life." You can have many ideas, but without action, there would be no manifestation, no results or reward. Once you take action, you'll start to realize the simplicity of loving yourself and letting go. I was surprisingly making good time, so I decided to head to Reykjavik. I didn't really have a plan like all the rest of my days, but the weather was pretty intense, so I decided to take a break before heading back on the road. Finally arrived at my Airbnb. The weather isn't terrible, it's just really, really windy. And at this point, I'm just so exhausted that I just need to chill. Take a look at this Airbnb. Look how cute it is. Little kitchen, microwave, fridge. Little homey area. And wow, this bathroom is so nice. Oh my god, and look. A washer. Yeah, and that shower will be interesting. It's so roomy in here. Look how cute this ramen is. I love these things because if you're in a hurry, it comes with a little foldable fork. The weather wasn't letting up, so I decided to embrace it and just relax. But I really wanted to see the northern lights. So I checked my weather app and saw that there was going to be a small opening of clear skies. So I took the chance, and when I got there, the clouds opened up. Just got to my hotel and it's really cute. I like it. I mean, it's super simple. Can't really ask for a whole lot. It has a bed, it looks comfy. It's downtown Reykjavik. This is my view. I'm about to go find something to eat, probably something small. Yeah, I have an online meeting in about an hour, so it sucks, but what are you gonna do? You gotta work. Before heading to the airport, I walked around Reykjavik one last time. I'm not gonna lie, I've been struggling to find the words to describe how I felt this day. Truth is, I had anxiety with the thought of going back home. I was going back to a place where I lost my inspiration in the first place. But then I started thinking about how I got here and the chances I took along the way that got me here. Even though taking risks make us uncomfortable, growth doesn't make sense without it. To let go of your old self and be open to the change is one step closer to being your true self.